Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful insights. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Please remember, this is my personal experience with these institutions, and your experience may vary. Choosing between financial giants like JPMorgan Chase and Northern Trust can be challenging. This video breaks down the key differences to help you make the best decision for your financial needs. JPMorgan Chase is a behemoth in the U.S. banking industry, offering a comprehensive suite of services for individuals, businesses, and investors. Its vast network of branches and advanced digital platform provide convenient everyday banking solutions, including checking and savings accounts, mortgages, and credit cards. Chase's credit card offerings are particularly attractive, with various reward programs and flexible options. For entrepreneurs, Chase offers a range of small business loans and services. This makes Chase a compelling one-stop shop for those seeking a broad spectrum of financial products under one roof. From simple transactions to complex investments, Chase aims to cater to a diverse clientele. Northern Trust, conversely, takes a more specialized approach, focusing primarily on wealth management and private banking for high-net-worth individuals, families, and institutions. Their strength lies in personalized advisory services, sophisticated investment strategies, and comprehensive estate planning. While Northern Trust does offer personal checking and savings accounts, these are not their primary focus. Instead, they excel in providing tailored wealth preservation and growth strategies, fiduciary services, family office solutions, and access to global investment opportunities. Clients choosing Northern Trust typically prioritize white-glove service, bespoke financial planning, and sophisticated investment management over the convenience of a large branch network. The key difference between these institutions lies in their target audience and service offerings. JPMorgan Chase prioritizes broad market reach, offering a wide array of financial products and services accessible to a diverse customer base. Northern Trust, on the other hand, caters to a select clientele seeking specialized wealth management and personalized financial guidance. Therefore, choosing between JPMorgan Chase and Northern Trust hinges on your specific financial needs and priorities. If you need a comprehensive banking partner for everyday transactions, readily available credit cards with competitive rewards, and the convenience of a large branch and ATM network, JPMorgan Chase is likely the better fit. However, if your focus is on sophisticated wealth management strategies, comprehensive estate planning, and highly personalized investment advice, then Northern Trust's expertise and tailored services might be more suitable. Carefully consider your financial goals, whether they revolve around daily banking needs or long-term wealth management, and select the institution that best aligns with those objectives.